Hi, in this video I'm going to be demonstrating how to do game 2 from Prep Test 68. So for this game we have 5 players, F, G, H, I, and J, and they're going to be scheduled to testify at a hearing that is to take exactly 3 days of 1 week. Okay. So whenever I have a schedule, so here we have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I just write it out the way I would in a day timer or the way I'd see it on my phone calendar. So I find that just doing it intuitively like that is helpful. I'm just going to total my players there. So we have 5 of them, and we only have 3 days, and each witness testifies on exactly 1 day of the hearing. So we are going to have to at least double up here, right? So far we don't actually have any minimums for any of the days, so it's possible that we could have a day it's possible that we could have a day that's empty, right? A day in our schedule that doesn't have any witnesses assigned to it. Okay. So this one has sort of an element of sequencing, but also an element of grouping, and so we're distributing the players among these different days. Okay, rule 1. F doesn't testify on the same day that Garcia testifies. So F and G are not together. Okay, so we know that we're going to need to use at least 2 days to keep them separate. We could also write this conditionally, right? If F testifies on a particular day, G cannot testify on that day. If G does, then F cannot. Okay, so 2 different ways to write it. I testifies on Wednesday. Always nice to get one of those rules. Rule 3, exactly 2 witnesses testify on Tuesday. Okay, so exactly 2, no more. So I'm just gonna kind of box that off. H does not testify on Monday. So that's rule 4. H is not on Monday. Put H not on Monday. Rule 3 was that we have 2 on Tuesday. Okay, so 2 Tuesday. And final rule, rule 5, is that we have a minimum of 1 on Monday. Okay, so 1 and maybe more on Monday, or we could have more on Wednesday. So minimum 1 on Monday. Okay, so that's it for the rules. Okay, so we have 2 distribution options, right? We could have 2 players on Monday, 2 on Tuesday, and 1 on Wednesday. Or we could have 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, and 2 Wednesday. So here we have 2 distribution options. Okay, we can also just use those little dotted lines like I did up there to indicate that that's possible. Those are possible positions for players. Right, I'm going to do one of these questions. So I'll do question 10. All right. If F is scheduled to testify on the same day as H. Okay, so F and H are together. Then which one of the following must be true of the schedule? All right. So if F and H are together, then they cannot be on Monday. Okay. They actually can't be on Wednesday either because I is already on Wednesday. And then we would have 3 on Wednesday. We need 2 on Tuesday and 1 on Monday. That would add up to 6, and we do not have 6 players. So that leaves, if F and H cannot be on Monday and they cannot be on Wednesday, okay, so can't be on Monday because of rule 4, can't be on Wednesday, because of Rule 2 and I suppose Rule 5 as well. Okay. So that means that F and H have to be on Tuesday. Okay, so if I were to draw out a little diagram here, have F and H on Tuesday, that's closed. Those are going to be the only ones on Tuesday. And then who do we have left? We have G and J left. So one of them will have to be on Monday at least, and then the other one is either on Monday or Wednesday. So what must be true? A, must it be true that F is scheduled to testify on Wednesday? No, that can't be true. B, must it be true that G is scheduled to testify on Monday? Could be true, but doesn't have to be. B is out. Does G have to be on Wednesday? C, no, could be true, doesn't have to be. D, H is scheduled to testify on Tuesday. Now that does have to be true. So D is the correct answer. E, I is the only witness scheduled to testify on Wednesday. No, we know that J or G could join I on Wednesday. So E can be eliminated as well, and we can confirm that D is the correct answer. Okay, try out the other questions and let me know if you have any questions for me.